Hello.
Welcome. Jack
Good
doesn't
morning.
like doing the
I don't
intro.
like doing the intro. I always stuff it up. But good morning. Hello.
We could just segue
Welcome.
straight to the first
and
question
we will.
if you
We'll
want.
just straight
Okay.
away.
So a question from Rhoda Camel. What area do you specialise in and what do buyers look for there?
Okay. Well, you can answer this first, I think.
Okay, so I sell in Brisbane. I sell properties in Brisbane, but specifically the inner west of Brisbane. My core area of focus is the Gap because it's an area that I live in and I'm passionate about. But I can certainly sell everywhere else as well. So primarily what the majority of buyers are looking for in the Gap is 3 to 4 bedroom homes with usually at least 2 bathrooms. And they want something that is good for the Gap State High School catchment and something that is close to or in the catchment of the primary school that they would also prefer. Really, that's the makeup of what the majority of our buyers are looking for.
Yep.
Moving to the Gap is a good family home.
Yep. And I'm similar. I'm this sort of side of Brisbane, you know, the north side, inner west. I think that my range is sort of anywhere from sort of Capera, Ferny Hills through the Gap into the city, so Ashgrove, Red Hill, Barton and those sort of areas. And I do specialise all throughout, but I think that it's something that it's quite a broad range, but I know the markets really well. For example, you know, the Gap, like you said, we know that especially at the, you know, January, that time of year, and December when people are really looking to move for work and school and things like that, the catchment zone is very important. We've had crazy inquiry in the Gap recently just because the state schools closed its boundaries, which is insane. You know, we've rented properties in 2 or 3 days prior to market. Do you celebrate Valentine's Day?
Do you celebrate
Which is obviously in
Valentine's?
a couple of days.
That's probably a very good question for my husband. Does he wish to celebrate Valentine's Day?
And?
Look, we're not very, very big on tradition and things like that, but I mean, Stephen, if you're watching, this is probably the hint to take me out to dinner. For me, it's not gifts. I love going out to take me out for an experience or for a lovely dinner at my favourite restaurant. But you're a little bit different because you celebrate your birthday the day before Valentine's Day, don't you?
Yes, so Valentine's Day is all about me.
Yeah.
No, so I think that Kate's very, very emotional.
Yeah.
She loves that.
What's that supposed to mean? She's emotional.
She just loves it. She's not.
In a good way.
Yes.
In a good way.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. But she loves that sort of stuff. So I think it's important for me to show that it does matter as well. Like, well, I'm not sort of that sort of person that goes, oh my God, Valentine's coming up, let's do this. But it's important to her, so therefore it becomes important for me.
Well, whatever you decide to do for Valentine's Day this week, just call someone or tell someone that you love them and make it special for them as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Sunday and thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Yeah.